Hey everyone, and welcome back to Money Mentor. Everybody listens to music. Sometimes we listen to music even without thinking about it, since it is very entertaining. Listening to music is a great way to pass the time. Making money by listening to music is so simple, and you're going to want to stay tuned to find out more. Today we're going to be talking about ways you can earn $500 by listening to music. Make sure you stay until the end, because you cannot afford to miss this great technique of earning cash just by listening to music. Number 5. Make a PayPal. Once you start making money by listening to music, you're going to need a stable and reliable platform to store your money digitally. This is where PayPal comes in. PayPal is a safe online wallet that allows you to keep money that you earn digitally. Many online websites use PayPal as a system of payment and a system to earn. You can also send and receive money easily from one PayPal user to another. PayPal is known globally and legit. It is a system that will hold your money and allow you to make payments, receive payments, and withdraw into a bank account. All the websites in this video use PayPal as a platform. To register a PayPal account, you will visit the website PayPal, and then at the top of the page, Sign Up tab. Click on it, and after that you'll be led to a page where you can choose what type of account you would like to set up, either a personal account or a business account. Select a personal account and then click on Next. You will then enter an email and a password. Then you're all set. It's that simple. Number 4. Go to RadioEarn. RadioEarn allows you to make money just by listening to music. It's an amazing site since it works globally, so anyone can use it to earn. They make all of their payments through PayPal. So if you already have got your PayPal account set up, you're ready to earn. The website is very popular since when you first open up the website, you can view live statistics of all the members, listeners, and payments made. They have tens of thousands of members that are a part of their website, and you will see a map of all the listeners worldwide. And you can see that they're all earning cash just by listening to music. Scroll on the website, you'll see the map of all the listeners. So, let's start. To earn from the RadioEarn platform, it's mandatory to first register on their site. You can register by scrolling to the top of the page and clicking on Sign Up. It's easy to do, and it will ask you to enter your email and a password. After doing so, you will then have access to the dashboard. When you open up your dashboard, you will see 3 radio stations, and you can choose to listen to any of them. On this website, you'll get paid for every 15 minutes you listen to music. After you listen to 15 minutes worth of music, you will collect points. These points are then redeemed for PayPal credit, which means cash for you. The radio stations have many different music genres to choose from, such as Top 100, News, Dance, and Easy Listening. That means you can listen to music to jam out or chill and do chores. When you don't feel like listening to music, the News option allows you to earn. You can also view the traffic to the right of the genres and see the popularity of each station. You will then click on one of these radio stations to start earning, and a new tab will pop up. You will then see a player at the top of the screen. Click on the play button and start listening. There will be a bar at the bottom of the page that shows you your progress in terms of minutes you need to listen to the music before you get paid, and show you how many points you have. At the bottom of the page is a banner advertiser. This is how the site earns money, and they will take a portion of this income and give it to you when you listen to the music on the page. To start listening to music, go to the player and click play. The music is great for listening to, and you can play it on iTunes as well. This is another simple and exciting way to earn money. Number 3. Go to Cash 4 Minutes. Cash 4 Minutes is another website that you can use to earn money just by listening to music. It is an interesting site that will pay you for just using your phone. You dial a number on your phone, and they will pay you to sit and listen to a live radio broadcast. It's more like getting paid to listen to the music that they put on while you're on hold. They will pay you directly to your PayPal account. This website pays you for monthly unused phone limits. It will allow you to make a test call to ensure that you're not being charged. And then you can call and listen to music. To register on this site, you first must visit the Cash 4 Minutes website. Set up a unique user profile and add all the numbers you will be using to call. Then you'll be able to access numbers. With these numbers, you will choose one to call. The site recommends that you do a short test call first to ensure that you do not incur any charges. Then you call and listen, and you earn money. It is simple, and the payments on this site are fast, and you can earn quickly. You can choose to receive your money either monthly or weekly. Cash 4 Minutes also offer different payment methods, such as bank transfer, Amazon vouchers, Bitcoin, and even sending the funds directly to a charity of your choice. This website is unique. You can also earn just by using your phone, dialing a number, and listening to a radio broadcast. Number 2. Go to HitPredictor. HitPredictor is another great website that you can use to rate music, answer polls, or shop prizes. But in this video, we're going to be talking about the music section. This is another great and simple way to earn passively by playing music in the background while you go about your duties. This site is a little bit different from the rest because you'll be rating the artist in addition to listening to music. It can be a lot of fun if you love reviewing music. It allows you to redeem your points into Amazon gift cards instead of cash, but you can still benefit from that by ordering something and having it shipped to your home. To start, go to the HitPredictor website, sign up, and create an account. Once you have signed up, scroll to the top of the page and find the big orange tab that says Rate Music. Click on that button and it will open up another tab in a new window. On this tab, the name of the song will be displayed with the name of the artist, and you'll be asked to rate it either as I love it, I like it, it's okay, I don't like it, or I hate it, depending on how you feel about the song. After rating the song, you will see how many points you've received, which you can then redeem to Amazon gift cards. All you need to do is listen to the music and shop online with your earnings with this site. Number 1. Go to Music X-Ray. On Music X-Ray, you are paid to listen to music, but this music is sent to you through your email. It is just as simple and useful just like other websites, except that, in this case, once you sign up, they will then send you the music. They will send you a link that you then click on, and that will direct you to their website to listen to the music. To register, you must go to the Music X-Ray website. There, they have a step-by-step video tutorial on how their website works. It will explain everything that you need to do. Then, go ahead and sign up for the service. This is free. After signing up, wait for the music link to be sent to your email, and then click on that link. It will direct you to their website to find the music you need to listen to. Then, you go get paid to listen to these songs. Use Music X-Ray, just go to Google and type Music X-Ray Get Paid to Listen. A page with Fan Match will pop up. Scroll to the bottom of this page and click Sign Up for free. To sign up, you will need your email, a username, and a password. You can also sign up using the SoundCloud, Google, Yahoo, or Facebook. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.